My name is Max Lincoln. I do hip and knee replacements, and I work for Southeast Orthopedic Specialists. I had an early experience with orthopedic surgery. When I was 10 years old, I was treated at the hospital for sick children in Toronto, and I actually had a bone tumor. I had surgery from that, and I did very well. And after that, I realized I wanted to go into orthopedics, and I completed my training, but I really liked doing hip and knee replacements. I found that patients did very well, and then I pursued 2 fellowships in that area. I have a lot of patients with chronic hip and knee pain who come in, and sometimes they're debilitated, can't walk very well, or they have pain that interferes with their life. Sometimes they can't sleep at night, or they can't do their jobs or other things. And so I'm there to see all complaints related to the hip and knee. Most rewarding part is really the times when I step back. It's the times when patients come in and I just realize that I've helped them, which is what I'm here for. I really enjoy seeing a patient do well.